Hey you guys.
Thing they got going on.
Where?
Turning left here.
Okay. So we're on our way to Georgetown because hey Alex.
Hey.
So we're going to volunteer.
Wait, Nicole, we can't walk.
Oh, see, I'm about to die
Guys,
trying to.
Y'all.
This is why you gotta vlog with other people,
Because she was really about to get hit.
I really was.
Big problem.
So we're going to pack bags. Are they for the homeless?
Yes.
We're going to pack
Who else
bags
do you
for the
distribute
homeless.
bags to?
I'm about to delete this. So we're going to pack.
Don't delete it.
We're going to pack bags for the homeless with the other Black Law Student Associations from the other law schools.
Black people.
Hey, Black folks, because we need to meet some more of y'all. So it should be fun. I think it's supposed to be from like 10 to 1. And
Yes. And I'm hoping there's food.
yes, because we're already hungry and we haven't even started.
Too hungry. Wait, this lighting is great.
Ain't it?
Hold on.
Look at her skin glowing. Y'all see her skin
Look at
glowing?
what DC gave me this morning.
Stupid. Okay, let me stop this.
That one's so small.
Okay, so we just got done packing up all the bags and now we're walking around downtown DC.
Okay, Nicole, we see you vlogging.
Say hey.
Hey.
Community service, that's what we do at BOSA. But yeah, so we walking around tired, but that's okay. You know, we doing big things. Okay, bye. Okay, so we just finished volunteering and now we're at brunch. You wanna be my nigga? Say hey. Hello. Everybody say hey to my blonde. Hey. Time to eat.
That's what I was saying. It says micro on the menu, but you probably know it's not what they got.
Gotta get the plates. Okay, so we're back in the library, of course, where we always are. Brunch was cool. You know, I had my little Brussels sprouts or whatever. And hey, y'all say hey. Say hi. Yeah, so right now I am working on constitutional law. And I'll probably be in here for like 4 hours. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. So it's 6:30. So it's 6:30 now, and I think I finished everything except for like 3 more pages I had to read and then type up some notes. But at this point, I can't do no more. I'm tired and I want to go home. So I'm probably gonna go home and take a nap and then get up and type up some more notes and then start working on my property class because that class is ridiculous. But the good thing is that I have my favorite food right here and Brussels sprouts. So yeah, I feel like all I talk about is how tired I am. So I'm gonna stop saying that. But anyway, I'm finna go home and take a nap. So I will see y'all there. Honestly, it's really annoying walking out here in the cold. Like my school is not that far from the metro, from the train, but can somebody just come get me? Like, ugh. So this is my little workstation that I've been doing. Usually this is my other book stand. I have one that I take to school and one that I leave at home. Usually this is on my desk, but I've been getting lazy lately. So I'll be like reading first, highlighting. Y'all can see like some of the highlights I have. And then I will sit this up here and be typing stuff, like typing up my notes. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna take a break and show y'all my freshly package. Okay, you guys, so I ordered food from Freshly. I think y'all can see spots. And this is my first time trying it, so I just opened the box up, and at the top there's like a piece of paper with the 6 different meals I ordered. So I got homestyle. Let me show you though. Can you even see? I don't know, but oh well. So I got homestyle chicken with mac and cheese, chicken teriyaki with brown rice and veggies, pork carnitas, Mexican style shredded beef, chicken and rice, cod cakes. I was just like, okay, I'm gonna try some new stuff. So when you open the box up, There's some kind of like, it's really soft. I don't know what this is, but I'm kind of scared. Okay. There's like a big block of ice. Oh, it's an ice pack. And you can store it in your freezer, I guess. I don't know why else I would need to use this, but it's earth friendly and stuff. Okay. Anyway. So, because you know what's interesting? I had it, so when I get stuff delivered to my apartment, it goes down to the concierge. And so I was like, dang, like how am I gonna, is the food gonna be good? But obviously it is. So here's the size of the meals. Let me open one up. This is the Mexican style shredded beef. Okay. I mean, I guess when you put it in the microwave, it'll look a little better, you know? That's what it looks like. So, yeah, I like this. I mean, I haven't even ate anything yet, but I like the packaging. I like the idea. So, I think I'm gonna, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, these are pretty big though. Oh yeah, there's ice at the bottom too. So, this is an interesting little delivery system. But the reason why I order these is because, some nights I just do not be feeling like cooking nothing. So my dad was telling me I should try these, and maybe I'll make another review about it. Hopefully it's enough food because I'm trying to gain weight because I've been trying to get back fit. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be naked this time. But anyway, okay. What am I supposed to do with this thing? Okay, y'all. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. I was gonna go out tonight, but I got tired. And plus, I went out last night, kinda, and then I was gone all day, going to brunch and in the library. So I just came home and took a shower, took a nap, and then I did some reading. And it's about to be like 2 in the morning, and I'm just now getting it done. But I'm glad I got that done, so that way tomorrow I can focus on the stuff I need to do. So maybe I'll show y'all my schedule for tomorrow, because I'm about to do that after I put this food away. So. Okay, so far this looks like a pretty interesting thing, but yeah, I'll do a review and let you guys know. Okay, so this is my schedule for tomorrow. It's not, I didn't put the times, the right times next to the assignments or tasks. I usually just write down everything that I need to do in the order that's most important. So this is for my rhetoric class that I need to do. It's gonna take a while. Then I got to submit this brief that I wrote, which is actually interesting. It's about prescription drug prices and how they really be trying to play us out here. I want to try to get this done by 3. See this little sad face? That's because property is so hard. But I'm going to do some property outlining and flashcards tomorrow. And then I got a quiz I got to turn in, which I usually do on Mondays, but I would like to get it done tomorrow. Emails. Trying to network, get your network. Job applications, and then just finish the rest of the constitutional law reading and the crim law reading that I didn't do for the week. The reason why that's last is because really I'm reading a week ahead, so I don't necessarily need to do that tomorrow, but it would be nice. So I am gonna go ahead and have my little ice cream, y'all see that? And then I am going to bed. So no, y'all can't see me no more because I got the night stuff on. Anyway, y'all. Good night, and thanks for watching Insiders, and make sure to subscribe.